everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a big question: electric car or gasoline car? Which one is actually better for you and your wallet? Let's break it down, feature by feature. First up, the price tag. Yes, EVs often have a higher upfront cost, mainly because of the battery. But wait, government incentives and tax credits can seriously slash that initial price. Gasoline cars, on the other hand, usually start cheaper because the technology has been around forever. So, round one for upfront cost might go to gasoline cars, but it's getting closer. Now, let's talk about the cost to run these machines. This is where EVs really shine. Powering your car with electricity is almost always cheaper than filling up at the pump. In fact, you could save 50 to 60% on your annual fuel costs. Plus, EVs are way more efficient, turning more energy into actual movement instead of losing it as heat, like a traditional engine does. What about maintenance? This is another huge win for EVs. They have far fewer moving parts. That means no oil changes, no spark plugs, no exhaust systems to fix. Over 5 years, you might spend around $500 on EV maintenance, compared to well over $1,000, maybe even $2,000, for a gasoline car. The regenerative braking in EVs even saves your brake pads. So, you have a higher initial cost for an EV, but much lower running and maintenance costs. Over a 5 to 10 year period, the total cost of owning an EV often ends up being cheaper. The big what if for EVs is battery replacement, but most come with long warranties, often 8 to 10 years, which gives a lot of peace of mind. Let's not forget the driving experience and environmental impact. EVs offer instant acceleration, a super quiet and smooth ride, and zero tailpipe emissions. While the electricity source matters, even on a mixed grid, EVs generally have a smaller carbon footprint over their lifetime. Gasoline cars? Well, they provide that classic engine rumble, but come with direct emissions and a greater reliance on fluctuating fossil fuel prices. When it comes to refueling, it's a trade-off. With an EV you can charge conveniently at home overnight. Public fast chargers are popping up everywhere. But a full charge still takes longer than a 5-minute gas station stop. Gasoline cars win on refueling speed and the sheer number of gas stations available. So, what's the verdict? If you can handle the higher initial price and have access to charging, an EV will likely save you a significant amount of money in the long run, all while providing a smoother ride and being kinder to the planet. But, if upfront cost is your main barrier or you frequently drive long distances in areas with few